وَعَلَّمُوا, he says in the Quran, أَنَّ اللَّهَ شَدِيدُ الْعِقَابِ. And be conscious of the fact that Allah is terrible in His punishment. As Muslims, how can we bring about change? That is the last session today, inshallah. What are we as believers supposed to do? That's your last session. Can we put our trust in Allah and follow the Messenger of Allah? That's the last session, inshallah. We leave that until the last session. We still have another 7 minutes. Yes?
Yeah, pertaining to the state of Israel, what you were talking about before. Isn't it true right now the real Jews are the falashas, and they are inviting them to Jerusalem to form the state from wherever they are, all parts of the world? And if they don't come, they are sending people to kill them?
When the state of Israel broke up after the death of Sulaiman alayhi salam, it became two states, one in the south, which is known as Judah, and the other to the north, which is known as Israel. The state in the north was eventually defeated and destroyed by what was then called Assyrians. And they had 10 tribes up in the north. 10 in the north. And those 10 disappeared from history. And only these two at the bottom, Judah and Levi, these two survived in the south. And since then there have always been speculations concerning the 10 lost tribes. Amongst those speculations is that the Falasha in Ethiopia is one of the lost tribes, the state of Israel. However, so long as you are non-white, you are the object of the attack. They take in you for a ride. So the Falashas in Ethiopia who are being shipped over and flown over to Israel, they're actually flowing into second-class citizenship in Israel. They had to struggle for all the menial jobs because the white man controls all the plums in Israel. So their status of being recognized as one of the lost tribes of Israel